Hi, this is John from Road Rage Rescues. We're back on the 93 Lightning. This is my longtime friend Dan White from Northwest Indiana. He's been in the auto body business with his family probably since he's about 11 years old. He's also an instructor at a local high school for automotive department, and he was kind enough to get a lot of this work done on this Lightning for me, and I'm going to interview him and find out what all he did to it. Can you go through and explain to us what all you guys did to the massive amounts of work to this thing?
Okay. Well, this thing came to us, it was barn fresh. Did not roll, all four wheels were locked, all the brakes were seized up, and the vehicle did not run. Hardest part of the job was getting it off the trailer to where we could get started on it.
About 2 hours worth of labor getting that thing off.
It was a little bit of a task, but we got that handled. Basically, on the brakes, everything in the brake system has been replaced except the pedal and the booster. It's got a new master cylinder, new stainless steel lines, hoses front and rear, new rotors, drums, shoes, pads, calipers, wheel bearings, everything ding to dong. That's been taken care of. As far as the engine, we did basic tune-up, plugs, wires, cap rotor, swapped out the fuel injectors, map sensor, throttle position sensor, common things, replaceable items that we did. And then on the fuel system, the fuel lines were all intact. We had to clean all the fuel lines, 2 replacement tanks, sending units and fuel pumps, and then flush fuel rail out and everything on that. Also removed the old bed and alternator, serpentine belt. We put a short belt on it because the air pump was seized. Basically just taking some of the rat crap out of it and get it ready to roll.
Very good. Let's see how it runs. Man, that thing sounds great. Also got new tires on it. Dan is working on a system. Everybody has heard of paintless dent repair. He's working on the new system that he's invented called paintless rust repair. It's still in its infancy, but he'll work on it. So it seems to run pretty well. Rockers and cab corners coming next. This door doesn't open, we have to work on that. But man, what a huge improvement. This thing is so rusted out. Sounds really good. More to come. Well, thanks to Dan's work and all the kids out here, looks like we might make it on Power Tour. So make sure you follow us for Power Tour updates, and we'll see how far we get. Is it in gear, Dan?
Yeah.
Nice.